Day 354 of Everyday Bible with Ada Ukabia. 1 Peter chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When Peter began this first letter, he addressed the believers as strangers scattered across different regions. Peter no deny their displacement. He no even pretend their lives are stable or comfortable. Yet in the same breath, he call all of them chosen. Being scattered does not mean being abandoned. You feel scattered in life, emotionally, financially, spiritually. Plans may not have worked out, relationships may have shifted, but according to Peter, God's choosing is not cancelled by your confusion. Because sometimes God they allow scattering so that not to punish you, but to plant us where our faith can grow deeper. As when we want to where Peter can they compare faith to gold we then test by fire. Fire no they create gold, it they reveal gold. Pressure no they create faith. Pressure they expose waiting to already there. Many of us they think something is wrong because life they feel heavy. But Peter they suggest the opposite. He say trials are not proof that God has left. Instead, they are proof that God is refining. If your faith they feel like say they stretched, it may not be weakening, no, it may be becoming more authentic. Where Peter can talk say be holy in all you do, many of us will think of rules or withdrawal from life. Holiness in this passage, they mean living with purpose in ordinary moments. How you speak when nobody they watch you. How you they respond when they offend you. How you they treat people who know if you do anything for you. Holiness not be about looking spiritual. Now about choosing differently when it will be easier not to. Then in chapter 2, Peter say believers should crave spiritual nourishment like new pikin where they crave milk. Make we take note of waiting Peter no say. Peter no say study occasionally. He no even say learn when convenient. Instead, Peter say crave. Growth does not come from exposure, it they come from desire. Many people they hear God's word, but don't they get the hunger for the word. Spiritual maturity they begin when your soul they start to they ask, what do I need from God today? If you go enter verse 5 of this second chapter, Peter they describe believers as living stones being built into spiritual house. A stone on its own, they look incomplete. It they only make sense when you place them right. When you feel unfinished, you know mean say they no fit use you. God is not done with you yet. Your current season may be uncomfortable because you are being shaped to fit something larger than yourself. Then we'll move on to the next chapter. One of the most overlooked teachings in this first Peter is about influence through conduct rather than argument. Peter they suggest say sometimes a transformed life speaks louder than constant explanation. This one not be about being passive. Now about understanding that consistency they convince where words they fail. In a world that loves noise, quiet integrity they stand out. If you can't go to chapter 4 verses 12 all the way down to 16, Peter they warn believers not to be surprised by hardship. Suffering is not always a sign of wrongdoing. Sometimes you suffer because you are doing right. Peter they encourage believers not to be ashamed when hardship comes for living faithfully. Your pain does not define you. Now your response to that pain, now they define you. In the last chapter, if we check verse 7, cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. Now Peter writes. Peter no say some anxieties, he say all anxieties. God is not irritated by whatever overwhelms you and I. What feels small to others is not small to God. God cares not just about your future. God they care about waiting they keep you awake at night.